Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and this is the new Dell XPS 13 9370 in rose gold with alpine white glass fiber interior. Dell says they are the first to use this material in a laptop. Thanks to the Infinity Edge display, the XPS 13 is currently the smallest 13-inch laptop on the planet. It weighs about 2.7 pounds or 1.2 kilograms. The right side has a USB-C 3.1 port, microSD card slot, and a headset jack. The left side has two USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports, a lock slot, and a power indicator. The XPS 13 supports Windows Hello with either the infrared camera or the optional fingerprint reader on the power button. Unfortunately, the camera is still below the display, so video calls don't look very flattering. The 13-inch 4K touch display looks great as expected with 100% sRGB. Under the hood is Windows 10 with up to Intel 8th Gen i7 quad-core processor, 16 gigs of RAM, up to 1TB PCIe SSD, and Intel UHD graphics 620. Overall, I think this is a solid 13-inch laptop. It begins selling January 4th, starting at $999 at Dell and the Microsoft Store. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a full review on this laptop. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.